What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kyusha Limit. Coming to you live from the Ken Miri. On our way to a little Datsun meetup right now here in Calgary. Hopefully some cool cars there. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little mini update. Won't be nothing this week on working on the cars. Been doing a lot of other things around the house. But yeah, give you a little update and show you some cool Datsuns. So stay tuned.